Hands-free, eye-level viewing wherever you want your phone or tablet. I was gifted this heavy-duty magnetic phone mount from Maxby, and I want to show you why I've been using it. It has a very strong magnetic grip that feels solid and secure when attached to magnetic surfaces like a fridge, cabinet, or other compatible surfaces. Just keep in mind that some stainless steel surfaces aren't magnetic, so you may need to try the side or the back panel. The adjustable arm lets you position the mount in different directions, so you can pull it closer, swivel it slightly, and find the best viewing angle without the glare. It's MagSafe compatible, and it also includes an adhesive metal ring if your phone or case doesn't have built-in magnets. You could even use it on a tablet by attaching the ring to the back of the device or the tablet case. If you want a simple or practical way to keep your phone or tablet visible while keeping hands-free, this is a really convenient option.